Sanibonani bafethu. Now uDecember ufikile bafethu. Ngabe lo December unawo ama-plans? If una ama-plans, make sure ukuthi uthenga ticket lakho for event kalenda phiwe nge-15 December uya-host event yakhe. At the same time it's a birthday celebration. Izobe isembombela bafethu eMpumalanga. Uyayibona ama-ticket ayatholakala online. Uyayiva leyo nto leyo online. If umuntu uhlezi ubhizi emsebenzini awuthola isikhathi, you can buy it online. You understand, uthengele wena nomndeni wakho, make sure ukuthi liba khona ku-event kanada phiwe no-celebrate nayilanga lakhe lokuzalwa neyibolo nto leyo. And line up is hella dope bafethu. Mawulaphayana kahle kahle kufanele ukuthi uzobe-experience different kind of environment, different kind of beverages nama-meal, different kind of artist, ama-tent ahlukahlukene. So make sure ukuthi buy that ticket, you understand. Wezela ukuthini, wezela ukuthi ubajoyina laphayana uenjoy nabo, ujabule nabo, kujayive kube mnandi kube nje special uDecember phela isikhathi sefamily. Uyayibona loo nto leyo, ufuna uzikhipha nomndeni wakho, ufuna uzikhipha nepartner yakho. Make sure ukuthi uget your ticket niye eMpumalanga niyo-enjoy ilanga lenu and nimamele umculo omnandi futhi. Uyayibona loo nto leyo. And ungakhohlwa late noma welele bayadropha manje nje mangikhuluma nje sesiyashaya ama-countdown nge-28 zikaNovember bayadropha bafethu single yabo bafethu, single emnandi ngendlela eyisimanga ibuye ekhaya ngithola bazoyidropha nje soon. So nalo single le izobe iperforma khona lapha because mawele ukhona ku-line up. Nayibona loo nto leyo. So zilungiseleleni sise-early guys, zilungiseleleni sise-early, nenze sure ukuthi nithenga amathikithi, nenze sure ukuthi nibeke imali ye-transport, konke kuhamba kahle, nibhukhe nendawo zokulala wenzela ukuthi ningakhathali ku-event phela. Nayibona loo nto leyo because akutsho ukuthi i-event yenziwe eMpumalanga ngeke maybe mawuhlala eLimpopo uye khona, or mawuhlala eCape Town ngeke uye khona, or mawuhlala kephi eJohannesburg ngeke uye khona. Uzoya just for fun, enjoy, explore ubomi because ubomi bunjalo is all about exploring, you understand, and experience, and then utreat ama-memories amasha nomndeni wakho nepartner yakho. Uyayibona loo nto leyo. Special December is for ama-vacation guys. It's not about uhlala endlini nje kuphela, no, it's for ama-vacation. So make sure you buy that ticket bafethu, support that appear. It's a first event ever akayiqalayo akayenzayo yakhe lena bafethu. So if this one is going to be successful, it means in years to come somane celebrate such events guys. So let's make sure ukuthi siyenza le event le ibe successful by doing what? By buying tickets and by attending guys, you understand. And if maybe apuhlala khona uduzane ne-mall and Pick n Pay or Checkers, you can go there and get your ticket, you understand. Uzipreparele guys, prepare yourself man, ubonise ukuthi yazini sesemdlini, ukuthi yazini asiqaleni unyaka, yangizwa masewuqedeni kahle lo sikuwo manje. Uyayibona into le because in that